Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna tell you how you can add or remove any product in your Shopify store manually. So let's get started. This is how the dashboard of your Shopify store looks like. And here in the left sidebar you can see the products button. Just click on it. And here in the product section you can see a lot of options are there: export, import, more actions, and add product. Just click on add product. You can see we have already add one product over here. So here the form will appear. Here you have to fill some details like the title, description, images, categories, price of the product. So let's do this. And in the media you can just select the images like this and click open. Those media will be present here, or you can see them here. And you can also change the order of the media like this. And the category will be selected automatically by seeing the images. And if you want to change the category, you can just click on it and select it or change it, or you can remove it. If you want to add the price, just click on it and add the price you want. And if you want to add the compared price, like the price, original price of the shoe and the price you are giving it. And if you want to add the unit price, you want to charge tax on this product or not, you can just add them from here. And if you want to add the stock keeping unit or the barcode of the product, you can just add them from here. And if you want to give the shape or size of the product and the weight of the product, you can just enter the data. And you can also give the country of origin of the product and the HS code if you want. And if you want to add variants of any product like color, size, you can just click on it. And like by seeing the images, uh, Shopify already selected these two colors. And if you want to add more colors like red, you can just select it from here. Similarly, you can also add size. The shoe size is small or medium or whatever you want. You can just select it from here and just click on done. And after that, you can see the variants that you have selected: the color, black, white, and red. If you want to change the price of any product from here, you can just click it and change the price. Like if you want to give any specific or different price to a specific product, so you can do that from here. And then you can see the all the category meta fields. If you want to change them, you can, or if you want to add something new, you can, like age group, adults, closer, type places. If you want to change them, just click on it and type or select from here. And after that, in the search engine listing section, you can add the meta title or meta description of the product. And you can also change the URL handle if you want. And after that, just click on save button. So you can see the product has been added. Then a pop-up will appear like added Nike, which shows you that the product has been added. And you can also see in the products section that the product has been added, Nike. And if you want to check it over here, you can also check the Nike product that we have added recently. This is the store product page. You can check it over here. And if you want to delete a product, you should just click over here, just select the product and the three dots, and just click on delete product. Then a pop-up will appear and just click on delete. Then your product will get deleted from your store. Thank you.